What if a simple tap on your phone could one day make you rich? Today, I'm exploring Picoin, the mobile mined cryptocurrency that claims to bring mining power to your pocket. But is this the next big thing, or just hype? Let's find out. Picoin is a cryptocurrency that's been gaining attention for its unique approach to mining. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require powerful computers, Picoin can be mined directly on your mobile device. This has made it an intriguing subject among crypto enthusiasts. The idea of mining cryptocurrency on your phone seems almost unbelievable, yet that's exactly what Picoin promises. The concept is straightforward. Users download the Picoin app and start mining. The app uses a consensus algorithm that doesn't drain much power, making it practical for mobile devices. This energy-efficient approach aims to open up cryptocurrency mining to ordinary people rather than just tech-savvy miners. As Picoin's community continues to grow, the big question is whether it can evolve into a major player in the cryptocurrency market. Its mobile-first mining model certainly helps it stand out from the crowd, but standing out doesn't always guarantee success. Skepticism is a big part of Picoin's story. Many people doubt its long-term potential and worry about its lack of proven market performance. Critics argue it's hard to imagine a phone-mined coin competing with established giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These concerns are real, given how tough the cryptocurrency space is. The obstacles Picoin faces aren't small. Gaining adoption in a market crowded with hundreds of altcoins is a serious challenge. On top of that, strict regulations worldwide continue to shape the future of digital currencies, making growth even harder. Picoin's technology is built on a modified version of the Stellar Consensus Protocol, which is designed to reduce energy usage. However, as of now, Picoin isn't listed on major exchanges, limiting its liquidity and preventing easy trading. This creates uncertainty about its true market value. When you compare Picoin to Bitcoin and Ethereum, the gap is obvious. Bitcoin is already a global digital currency, and Ethereum has built an enormous ecosystem of decentralized applications and smart contracts. Picoin still has a long road to travel before it can be considered on the same level. Still, Picoin's story isn't all doubt and criticism. Some experts believe that if the project can solve its liquidity issues and build real-world partnerships, it could become a disruptive force in the crypto space. The deciding factor will be how well it adapts and evolves as the industry changes. Opinions about Picoin remain sharply divided. Some investors are drawn to the higher-risk, higher-reward nature of the project, while others think it's unlikely to succeed in the long run. The truth probably lies somewhere in between. The development of a strong ecosystem will be vital for Picoin, whether it's through partnerships, applications, or community involvement. Its survival depends on proving its usefulness beyond just mobile mining. Without that, its popularity could fade over time. Predicting Picoin's market future is tricky. The crypto market is famously unpredictable, and new projects often rise and fall quickly. However, with the right community support and practical use cases, Picoin might surprise skeptics and achieve meaningful growth. Many early adopters believe that being part of the Pi network today could pay off big in the future if the coin gains traction. This sense of getting in early fuels community excitement and drives more people to download the app. Such momentum is valuable, but it must be backed by genuine utility to create lasting success. Another important factor to consider is security. While Picoin claims to offer a safer mining experience, the lack of exchange listings and limited transparency raise questions for cautious investors. Without clear information on its governance and compliance, many people hesitate to commit financially. Marketing and brand awareness could also play a major role in Picoin's trajectory. Unlike Bitcoin, which grew through word of mouth and media attention, Picoin relies heavily on its community to spread the word. If the project invests in strong marketing campaigns and strategic partnerships, its chances of long-term adoption could increase significantly. Finally, the global push toward digital payments and cashless economies might create an environment where projects like Picoin can thrive. As more people worldwide look for easy-to-use digital currencies, Picoin's mobile-first mining model could resonate strongly, especially in developing countries where access to expensive mining equipment is limited. To summarize, Picoin brings a creative take on cryptocurrency mining through its mobile app. But it also faces significant doubts, regulations, and the reality of competing against established cryptocurrencies. The opportunity for growth is there, but so are the risks. Investors should carefully weigh these factors before getting involved with Picoin. If you're thinking about investing, remember to balance the potential rewards with the possibility of loss. In the fast-moving crypto market, research and caution are your best tools. Let's hear from you. Do you believe Picoin has a real future, or is it just another passing trend? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you'd like to explore more cryptocurrency insights, make sure to check out our next video.